To begin with, all I'm doing is using a standard black eyeshadow to give myself some guidelines of where I want to do the skull. Now I'm just giving myself a base coat using white Snazaroo face paint. I'm now just using black Snazaroo paint to go over the guidelines and give myself a little bit more depth and to start the teeth. Now I've gone back to using the white Snazaroo paint and I'm just colouring in the teeth. All I'm doing now is just going over the base coat with some more white just to make it more vibrant. Going back to your black eyeshadow, you just want to go over some of the lines, give them a little bit of shading, make them a little bit more darker, and give them that little bit more of depth. Now this is the best part, is starting to shade the teeth with your black eyeshadow. I then decided to go back over the teeth again, but with the black Snazaroo paint just to make them a little bit more darker. Now you just want to fill in your nose with the black Snazaroo paint. Now I'm just adding in some small details. You don't have to do this, I just thought it would look cool. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials. Stay spooky.